is show that 4 cosine 2x minus 3 sine x cosecant cubed x plus 6 equals 0 can be expressed as 8s to the 4th minus 10s squared plus 3 equals 0 when sine of x equals s. So we first just wrote this again, and then we substituted cosecant cubed x for 1 over sine cubed x, which is the same thing. And we took cosine 2x and we substituted it with 1 minus 2 sine squared x, which is a identity. And then we took sine x times 1 over sine cubed x is the same thing as 1 over sine squared x. And then we just multiplied it by 3 because of that 3. And we added 6 equals 0. And then over here we just distributed the 4 so that it became 4 minus 8 sine squared x minus 3 over sine squared x plus 6 equals 0. And then over here we just made 4 and 6 into 10. And then we multiplied by sine squared x over here so that there's no denominator. And we got negative 8 sine to the 4th x minus 3 plus 10 sine squared x equals 0. We multiplied that by negative 1 so that it became like this. And we got 4 sine to the 4th x, or 8 sine to the 4th x minus 10 sine squared x plus 3 equals 0.
你听见这些白人吗？你听见他们多笨？我去教他们吧，这些白人真的。Hello, capitalist scum. Here you see the math problem you do in your brain, very small. You see the part from part A, this is the answer. But what's my favorite S word? My favorite S word is substitution. So you substitute the sine squared x as s because your brain too small. Below that, you see the equation you get, and then what's my favorite F word? My favorite F word is factor. So you factor that equation into this, and then after that you divide by 8 for each individual value. Below that, you see 3, 4, and 1/2. How you get that? How you get that? And that's because it's my second favorite S word, simplify. After that, you get the rational value. And then you want the value in between the pi and the 0. So you get 4 individual values. Pi over 3, pi over 4, 2 pi over 3, and 3 pi over 4. You understand, capitalists? You understand? Huh?
Show that 4 cosine 2x.